a cute girly top like this. And this is first episode of the series that I am doing, that is the Shein series, Shein recreation series, which I asked you guys in the community section and you all agreed to it and you all wanted it. So the inspiration for this top is right here. And this is a top that was sent to me by one of my subscribers. She wanted me to recreate it, so that's why I did. Except for the sleeves, I did everything as it is. At least I tried to. The fabric of both the top and my shirt is completely different, so that's why I decided not to do that. So I just did something improv. So without any further ado, let's get started.
For this I'm taking this shirt, and as you can see I've already marked the alteration points, which I will explain later. Now cut the sleeves or remove it using a seam ripper. Then coming to the shoulders, I'm just going to cut according to my shoulder length. You can do it according to yours. Mine was about 7.5 inches on both sides of the collar. And also cut off the length you don't need. Next, take the sleeves. If you have long ones, cut them according to your need and then hem it with 1 inch of width like I have in my sleeves here already. Next, take a thin elastic like this one and place it slightly above the bottom edge of the sleeve like so to use it as a guideline, and then mark below it like so. Now to make the casing for the elastic, just stitch on that marked line. Then take your elastic with a pin in it and insert it in the casing. And bring it out from other side and adjust the elastic to make it comfortable enough for you, and cut the extra, and do this on both the sleeves. Then take the sleeve to your shirt piece, wrong side out, and place the sleeve like so, keeping the middle point of the sleeve with the shoulder line of the shirt and pinning the sleeve with the rest of the armhole. Pin both the sleeves down and stitch them over. Also close the sleeves from the open side and alter the side seam of the shirt according to your fitting. Once everything is done, take your measuring tape, keep away the collar, and then from the neckline mark about 4 inches down. Then using a ruler, draw a straight line from that point to the sleeves like so on both sides. Then at the back, mark the midpoint of the collar. From there, mark 4 inch straight down and then draw a straight line till the almost half of the armhole point. And then cut the shirt where we marked like so. Then take this net fabric. It's a plain white net. You can get it easily at any fabric shop. Then fold the net from its length or width, whatever you want, and place it over the shirt to know how much we need, and cut the rest out. Then place one layer under the shirt and one above like so. Then fold the rough edges of the shirt inside and place the net over it and pin it. Now it's better to hem the rough edge before pinning with net to make things much more easier, which I forgot to do, so I am struggling here. But you can hem the rough edges of the shirt before you do the net. Keep pinning the net everywhere we cut the shirt from, that is in the front, the back, sleeves, as well as shoulder and collar. Make sure while pinning the shirt doesn't move much to keep the net wrinkle free. Then once everything is pinned with the net, cut the extra net out like I'm doing here. Now just stitch the net in place. Now here you can hand sew as well, as it's very easy for the net to sew. And since I did separate the two shoulder pieces, join them with the stitching as well. Once everything is done, I just added some flower lace and beads using hot glue gun, which I totally forgot to show you guys, but then you're done.
So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel that is right over here. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell button so that you guys never miss any videos from me, because I'll be uploading every Sunday, if not on Sunday, Monday for sure. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page, that is right over here. Help me reach 15k over there, so do hit that follow if you are on Instagram. If you're not on Instagram, never mind. So today's feature goes out to Devika, Roshni and Fozia. Thank you so much guys for commenting on my channel, and I really get motivated from your lovely comments. So do make sure that you keep commenting down below to make me happy, and don't forget to hit that like button too. If you also want to get featured in my next DIY, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell button, and comment down below in which city do you live, because I would love to know in which city all my subscribers are from, or at least majority are from. So let me know in the comments down below where you belong to, and I would love to know that. I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye.